Hey, what's up, guys? So that's 103. Check if a word is valid after substitutions. So given string s, determine if it's valid. So string s is valid if it's starting with empty string, and then you can form a t into s after performing the following operation. So basically, you will have the string called ABC, and you can add any left and right, and compose it with ABC. Okay. Probably this is hard to understand. Maybe see example. So A B C, A B C B C, right? So you can take A B C and you see A B C, right? So you can take this and you say A B C, and for this one you can say A B C A B C. So these are all okay. And for this one, right, you get the same thing, right? Once you take ABC out and then you see another ABC. And it is impossible because if you take one ABC out, then CBA cannot form ABC. Also, there's no ABC. If you take ABC out, you get CAB. Okay, so you get the answer, right? Basically, whenever you see ABC, you just mod out, right? So while ABC in S, you just mod out. And finally, if there's some remaining, that means there are no ABC, right? No ABC, that means you cannot do anything, right? So you should return false. If it's empty, that means you can keep using ABC, so return true. Okay, so that's it. So this is the very simple question. Okay, see you guys next videos.